Welcome, welcome, welcome to the Digital Edge.
Great to be here.
Get ready, because today we are strapping in for a really thrilling ride into the world of artificial intelligence, specifically what it's looking like for 2025.
Yeah, we've got some fascinating perspectives lined up, haven't we? From Simple Show, IBM Technology, AI Uncovered, Interview Kickstart, a real range.
Exactly. And they're all pointing towards some pretty big shifts, how AI is going to change video creation, its own core abilities, even our jobs.
Right. So the goal is to kind of unpack all that, figure out what these trends really mean for everyone listening.
That's the plan, whether you're deep in tech, making content, or just AI curious. So let's jump right in. Where should we start?
Well, Simple Show had some really interesting points about AI and video content creation. That seems like a good place.
Okay, video it is. What's the big picture there?
The main thing is automation. AI potentially handling scripts, animations, even voiceovers,
Yeah.
like in minutes.
Wow, minutes. Think about the speed, the cost savings, but still getting professional results. That could change things fast.
It really could. And they didn't stop at just automation. They mentioned AI enhancing the actual storytelling with lifelike avatars.
Avatars. So potentially less need for, actual filming sometimes.
That seems to be the idea. Opens up creative options. And for businesses, think about branding AI instantly applying logos, colors, keeping everything consistent.
Yeah, that consistency is huge. And wasn't there something about data too?
Yes, data-driven improvement. AI analyzing viewer engagement in real time to suggest how to make videos better, like having an instant feedback loop.
Okay, so smarter creation and smarter iteration. They also touched on interactive or gamified videos, right, to keep people hooked.
Exactly, making content more memorable, plus that continued dominance of short-form video, like under a minute for busy audiences.
Right, short, sharp, and maybe using mixed media, combining different elements.
Yeah, all enabled by AI to create these, more dynamic, attention-grabbing experiences.
Okay, that's a lot happening in video. Let's shift gears a bit. IBM Technology looked more at the core AI capabilities. What stood out there?
A big one was AI agents. These are systems meant to actually reason, plan, and then act, not just answer questions.
So, like AI that can figure out how to solve a problem and then go do it.
Sort of, yeah. Though IBM did add a note of caution. Apparently, consistent logical reasoning for really complex stuff is still a work in progress.
Okay, so powerful, but maybe not quite ready for super tricky tasks just yet. They also mentioned inference time compute. What's that about?
Think of it as variable thinking time for the AI. Instead of always using the same effort, it spends more time on harder questions.
Ah, so it can get smarter potentially without needing a whole new training cycle.
Exactly. It adds adaptability. And this ties into the models themselves. IBM sees a trend towards both huge models, like maybe 50 trillion parameters,
Whoa.
and also really efficient small ones. They mentioned their own Granite model, just 2 billion parameters, running fine on a laptop.
So we get both massive AI brains and nimble, accessible AI.
That seems to be the direction, which leads to the use cases, right? Moving beyond basic automation to tackling complex customer service or proactively managing IT networks, even real-time cybersecurity.
That's a definite step up. What about the near infinite memory thing?
Basically, AI remembering all past interactions. Imagine a chatbot that genuinely knows your history with a company. Highly personalized support.
That could be incredibly useful. But they also brought up a challenge with humans using AI, didn't they? Something about doctors.
Yeah, that was fascinating. A study showed a chatbot alone diagnosed better than doctors. But a doctor plus the chatbot performed worse than the chatbot by itself.
Really? Worse. Why?
It highlights the integration challenge. We need better ways for humans to actually leverage AI's strengths within their workflow, not get bogged down by it. It's not just about the tech, it's how we use it.
That's a critical point. Okay, let's broaden out again with AI Uncovered's view on industry shifts.
Right.
What were their big trends?
They covered a lot. One was AutoML, autonomous AI. Basically, AI designing and training other AI models with less human input.
So AI building AI. That sounds exponential.
Potentially, yeah. Accelerating development. Then there's hyper-personalization, AI understanding user behavior, even tone to tailor services. Think custom healthcare plans or smarter shopping assistants.
That deep personalization raises some privacy questions maybe, but the potential is clear. What about robotics?
Robotics 2.0, they called it. More adaptable robots for homes, maybe elder care, using better AI vision and understanding. Think general purpose helpers.
Moving beyond just factory arms.
Yeah.
Interesting. And AI in mental health came up too.
Yes, AI apps for support, guided therapy, mood tracking, making mental wellness tools perhaps more accessible and more on demand.
That could be really impactful.
Yeah.
And multimodal AI, processing different kinds of data together.
Right, like a security system analyzing video, audio, and online data all at once for a richer picture.
Yeah.
Or combining medical scans with patient notes.
That sounds powerful. Is AI also helping with bigger picture stuff like climate change?
Definitely. Predicting weather patterns better, optimizing energy grids, Google DeepMind cut data center energy use, significantly improving agriculture, aiding carbon capture, lots of applications.
Good to hear. They also mentioned lifelong learning AI, AI that keeps improving.
Yeah, models that adapt to new data without a full retrain. Big implications for things like personalized AI tutors in education that constantly adjust.
And edge AI, running AI on our devices.
Exactly. For speed, security, offline capability, like on your phone or in your car, makes AI more immediate.
It really feels like AI is becoming embedded everywhere. Okay, one last big area, careers. Interview Kickstart looked at the job market impact.
And it's huge. The AI industry is growing incredibly fast, but there's a big skills gap. Demand for AI talent is soaring.
And it's not just for dedicated AI scientists anymore, right?
Not at all. They stress that AI knowledge is becoming vital for software engineers, product managers, cloud engineers. I mean, Google CEO said over a quarter of their new code is AI generated now.
Wow. So understanding AI is becoming table stakes for many tech roles.
Pretty much. Roles are changing too. Product managers might focus on AI-driven personalization. TPMs might manage AI-specific projects. Gartner predicts over half of orgs will use AI to boost productivity soon.
So the message is clear. Upskill in AI or risk getting left behind.
That's the gist of it, yeah. It's about competitive advantage future-proofing. They suggested two paths, either AI up-leveling, adding AI skills to your current role, or fully switching to become, say, a machine learning engineer.
And what skills should people focus on building?
Key things were Python, understanding classical machine learning, but also generative AI and large language models, and having projects to show what you can do, chatbots, recommendation systems, that kind of thing.
Okay, so we've covered a lot of ground, from AI making videos in minutes, to core intelligence improving, to reshaping entire industries and fundamentally changing careers.
It's clear AI isn't just coming soon anymore, is it? It's here, and the pace is picking up as we head towards 2025. These trends touch pretty much everything.
Absolutely. The key takeaway really seems to be that understanding this shift is crucial for navigating what's next, finding those opportunities.
Yeah, definitely food for thought. Which of these trends sparks the most curiosity for you, or it seems like it'll have the biggest ripple effect? It's worth pondering as AI continues to evolve.
This has been The Digital Edge. Thanks for joining us for this exploration of the AI landscape. We hope it's provided you with valuable insights into the exciting developments on the horizon. Until next time.